session. In this session, we are going to learn about Prometheus and Grafana in Kubernetes. First of all, what is Prometheus and what is Grafana and why are they required? Prometheus and Grafana are monitoring tools and visualization tools used in Kubernetes. What will they monitor? Prometheus is helpful in monitoring infrastructure and resources in Kubernetes. Not only infrastructure, it can be also used to monitor applications and applications, infrastructure, and etc. So, what is infrastructure in Kubernetes? All the nodes which are indirectly virtual machines or physical servers or cloud EC2 or everything is an infrastructure. We can monitor its CPU, its memory, its disk, how much CPU is increasing, how much it is decreasing. We can manage it, we can monitor it based on timestamp. And what are resources? Resources are the objects like created in Kubernetes, like pods, deployments, services, etc. You can also monitor the services in Kubernetes. So using Prometheus, we will get the metrics data. How will we monitor? Based on metrics. Metrics will be sent from the metrics server installed in Kubernetes cluster. From Kubernetes cluster, we will get metric data that is collected by Prometheus based on queries, and this timestamp data is sent to Grafana to visualize it. So Prometheus is a data fetching, like timestamp based data fetching tool, and Grafana will visualize the metrics given by the Prometheus. So this is the introduction of Prometheus and Grafana, and prerequisites for installing Prometheus and Grafana are: first of all, we should definitely have cluster, because we are dealing with Kubernetes. We have to be a ready state nodes, and we have to be a fully set up Kubernetes cluster. Then we have to install metric server in the Kubernetes, which is by default not present in Kubernetes. We need to install it explicitly. So we need to be ready with cluster, then metric server, and in the environment where we have been connected to the cluster, Helm should be installed. Helm is a package manager for Kubernetes. Yeah, these three prerequisites you should be ready with before installing Prometheus and Grafana. Let's start implementing it.